My personal reflection on Surah Maryam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. If you are on a journey back to Allah, like I am, I hope this reflection brings you comfort, hope, and closeness to our Creator. I reverted to Islam in 2007, Alhamdulillah. But recently, my heart found a new depth of connection with the Quran. Life has its trials. Some shake us to the core. I went through moments of loss, betrayal, and feeling lost. But Surah Maryam reminded me that Allah never abandoned His servant. Here are my key reflections on Surah Maryam. The first is the Prophet Zachariah's dua, a reminder that no dua is wasted. When Prophet Zachariah alayhi salam called upon Allah for a child, despite his old age, he whispered his dua with full certainty, and Allah responded. This reminded me, how often do we think our du'as are too late? But Allah is the one who controls time. When we ask with sincerity, He listens. The next is Maryam alayhi wasalam and the strength in tawakkul. Then came the story of Maryam alayhi wasalam. She was alone, misunderstood, carrying a burden no one could see or understand. And at her weakest moment, Allah sent her comfort. Quran chapter 19 verse 24 says, Then He called her from beneath her. Do not grieve. Your Lord has provided a stream beneath you. The third reflection is the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi wasalam, letting go and trusting Allah. When I faced betrayal and injustice in my career, I struggled to accept it. But then I read about Prophet Ibrahim alayhi wasalam, who had to walk away from his own father and people, and yet, with every step away from the dunya, he stepped closer to Allah. It made me ask myself, was I holding on to something that was keeping me from truly trusting Allah? Was this loss actually a redirection? That realization changed everything. My dear sisters, if you are struggling, if your heart feels heavy, know this. Allah sees you. He hears your pain, and He is closer to you than you can imagine. Surah Maryam reminded me of that, and I pray it reminds you too. Go back to the Quran. Even it's just one verse a day, even if it's just sitting with it in silence, because in these words, you will find healing, you will find Allah. If this reflection resonated with you, share your thoughts in the comments. What part of Surah Maryam touches your heart the most? Let's go together on this journey back to Allah. Inshallah, until next time, may Allah keep our hearts connected to His words. Barakallahu fikum and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.